It's time to show you the real color and some of the most essential features of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, including the latest layout cover display and the inner display, and I have the actual appearance of Fold 5 all sides and it's the newest one. These are the latest images of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which come in two colors and are unexpectedly the new official dummies of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung significantly altered the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, let us go down what has changed and how it will affect the user experience with the Galaxy Samsung Fold 5. The cover display on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a bit higher rate as we were expecting a little wider cover display, but interestingly it's not going to happen. But the bezels on the Z Fold 5 are smaller due to a new hinge design, which makes sense to get a little better cover display, but not any wider. As you can see in the picture, the Fold 5 will have the same 6.2-inch cover display as the Fold 4, but Samsung will utilize a new better and more durable glass on the Samsung Fold 5 cover display, which is Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Dummy images appear pretty cheap, but as the name implies, we cannot truly detect the detail of the crease from dummy images. But we already have the first glimpse of Galaxy Z Fold 5, which looks like Galaxy Z Fold 4. The crease is just 15% less noticeable than on the Z Fold 4, thus there is no cosmetic improvement. But according to the source, the scrolling on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is somewhat better than on the Z Fold 4. We are receiving a water drop hinge, which makes Fold 5 a flat folded tablet, and it delivers two most beneficial changes to Fold 5, thickness and weight. Fold 5 is slimmer than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it weighs roughly 254 grams instead of 263 grams on the Fold 4. Despite having a redesigned water drop hinge, Samsung has discarded the concept of improving the durability requirements for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung will utilize the same IPX8 certification for water resistance on the Z Fold 5, and there will be no IP58 rating. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.